Hi, we are
Ralf
and Dirk from Osmo.
So, what are we going to do today?
Today we show you how to clean and revive this decking with our Wood Reviver Power-Gel.
Enjoy the video!
Wow, what a stunning result! Looks like brand new again.
And it just took a few minutes to revive.
And I didn't even remember how great it looked in the first place.
Too bad it won't last that long.
If you want to see how to keep this fresh look throughout the season, check out our next video in which we introduce the decking oil.
See you soon!